Hello，我是卷。我朋友圈里的人都在历劫，然后我这个在决赛圈里面的人在角落瑟瑟发抖。哎，我怎么流鼻涕了？这不太对吧？我觉得这样下去不行，我得做点什么。那就做点功课吧。与其搁这饱受精神攻击，不如把食疗法牢记于心，你说是不是？哇，这葱白的味儿。
Gazing at the stars as my eyes only towards you. There was no one else I knew that my love ever felt this way. Too sure if you were mine, I was nervous but I had to say, call you my one and can I call you my lover, call you my one and only one, call you my everything, call you my baby, you're the only one who owns my world.
有了这四大天王，咱再也不用瑟瑟发抖了。